Hello student, I am Professor Dareshwar Patil. Today we will study the next points of the Unit 1 of the subject Engineering Metrology. The name of the Unit 1 is Introduction to Metrology. The topics or points that we will cover in this lecture are inspection, its definition, need or objectives of inspection, accuracy, its definition, precision, its definition, the various cases of accuracy and precision. First of all, we will study definition of inspection. Inspection is defined as the procedure of checking product characteristics. When a product is to be manufactured, it passes through various manufacturing processes or various manufacturing stages. During various stages, it is necessary that to confirm the various dimensions or any parameters are manufacturing according to the design specifications, and this can be achieved with the help of inspection, and it is very helpful in order to avoid any manufacturing the product which is faulty in nature. The inspection may be carried out for dimensions, quality of product or quality of raw material, etc. Now we will study the need or objectives of inspection. The first objective is part or material conformation to standard. When a part or material is to be manufactured, then it should be according to its design specification, and it can be easily verified that with the help of inspection. Then next objective is interchangeability. Interchangeability is nothing but a product which can be replaced with any other organization's or company's product. For example, electric bulb in the household or industrial application. When it is damaged, we can replace it easily with any other brand, and this can be achieved with the help of inspection. The next objective is good customer relation. A good customer relation can be maintained by providing a high quality product to the customer, and this can be achieved with the help of inspection. Inspection is carried out before selling the product to the customer and verified that it is working well before selling to the customer. The next objective is find inadequacy in manufacturing. During manufacturing, it is possible that any inappropriate problem may arise, and in order to solve this problem, inspection is necessary. The next objective is purchase good quality raw material. A high quality or good quality product can be manufactured if it is made with a good quality raw material. Before manufacturing, it is verified that the provided or purchased raw material is of high quality, so that the product manufactured will also be of high quality or a good quality. Then next objective is decision of rework. If during manufacturing stages a product manufactured with a other than design specification, we can decide whether to rework on the product or reject the product, and this can be easily done with the help of inspection. Then next, it is accuracy. Accuracy is defined as the degree of agreement of measured dimension with its true magnitude. It can be formulated as accuracy is equal to difference between true value and measured value. Generally, this term is associated with a measuring instrument. When an instrument is used to measure the dimension, depending upon the results, we can say that the instrument is accurate or not accurate. The next term in the metrology, it is precision. Precision is defined as the repeatability of measuring process. Again, in this definition, repeatability is nothing but the ability of the instrument to give the same result if we take the same measurement. When an instrument is calibrated, it is checked that whether the instrument is accurate or whether the instrument is precise or not. In ideal condition, instruments should be accurate as well as precise. Now we will study the various cases of the accuracy and precision for an instrument. Let us consider the various instruments are used for a measurement, and the results of the measurement are plotted on a paper or graph. Suppose this circle indicates the accuracy zone. If the reading falls within the circle, we can say the instrument is accurate. If the reading falls outside the circle, we can say instrument is not accurate. Further, if the readings are closer to each other, we can say instrument is precise. But if the instrument gives reading that are scattered or away from each other, then we can say instrument is not precise. Now we will see the various cases. First case, in this case, the readings falls outside the circle. It means the instrument is not accurate. Again, we observe that all the readings are very closer to each other. Thus, we can say the instrument is precise. Hence, for the first graph, we can say the instrument is precise but not accurate. For second case, all the readings falls within the circle. Thus, we can say instrument is accurate, but all the readings are scattered away from each other. Thus, we can say instrument is not precise. Thus, the instrument is accurate and not precise. For the third case, all the readings are within the circle, thus instrument is accurate. Also, all the readings are very closer to each other, thus instrument is precise. For third case, we can say the instrument is accurate as well as precise. For fourth case, all the readings are outside the circle. Also, they are away from each other. Hence, for the fourth case, the instrument is not accurate as well as not precise. Thus, in this lecture, we have studied inspection, need or objective of inspection, accuracy, precision, the various cases of the instrument for accuracy and precision. Thank you, students.